another vlog. We are currently in a very snowy, cold New York City, but I'm still super happy to be here. We are going to be here for 3 days, or for 2 days actually, because we got in yesterday pretty late last night. We had a few flight complications, so it kind of just took away half of the day that we were gonna have here. But anyway, we're here, and it's actually Mo's first time in New York. His first impression is probably that it's really gray and cold, but if you guys can see, you don't really see it a lot on camera, but it is snowing and raining. But how incredible is this view? So down there is Columbus Circle, and there is Central Park. So on a nice day, I think this view would be really incredible. I mean, it still is incredible. It's quite breathtaking, actually. And we're so high up. We're on the 48th floor. So today we have a full day of doing whatever we want to do, and then tomorrow I have a little work event. But right now we've just gotten ready, and we're gonna go and have some breakfast. Mo found this restaurant, I think it's called Jack's Wife. Their Instagram profile looks amazing. I think it's all quite like healthy. So yeah, we're gonna go and get something to eat because I'm quite hungry now, and I think we're gonna take the subway down.
Hey guys, my first time in New York, and Annie has been living here for how many years?
I lived here for 5 years.
Yeah, in this big city, and standing here thinking, oh my god, where's what? I don't know where to go, and it's like one street.
You feel small, right? I remember when I first got here, everything is like tall and huge, and you feel like a little ant in the city, but then you get to know it. And
yeah, but it's really cool, and I'm very impressed. And yeah, I mean, look at this. I just wanna check.
So this is my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing just black jeans, this cashmere sweater, and then this leopard coat, which some of you guys might have seen from my recent haul that I did with NAKD. Got my new little Chanel bag that I'm obsessed with, and then I just have this cute little beret hat from ASOS. And I will try to have everything linked below as well if you guys do like anything that you see. And then my shoes are my little Gucci sneakers. These are probably not the best shoes to be wearing right now, but I don't have any like rain boots with me. So yeah, I hope that's going to work. And I totally forgot to mention that in a few days we'll be heading to Mexico. We're going to Tulum, which is a little city outside of Cancun. So Cancun is like the main airport, then you drive 2 hours away to Tulum. And the weather there looks so amazing. It's 30 degrees, sunshine, so I'm very much looking forward to that. So we're gonna go for some breakfast now. I'm quite hungry. To the restaurant. Oh my god, this changing room. I think this is the best changing room I've ever seen. I decided to get some rain boots because the rain was out of control. I had to step up my game. Up now to this shop called The Line, and it's like a shoppable apartment kind of concept. It's quite popular, so, and I've never been here before, so I'm excited to see it. So cool. bedroom. Right here. This is our bed. This is our view.
Oh, bedroom?
Yeah, this is our bedroom. Isn't it so beautiful? In a cab. It is around 6 o'clock. We're on our way back to the hotel now. You guys, the weather has been crazy, absolutely crazy. It's like a full-on snow, rain, storm. I'm pretty exhausted. I'm very cold, but it's really fun to be back, especially with Mo. It's been really fun, like showing him around different places. This is our view right now. Good morning, beautiful New York. The weather looks so much better today, so I'm really happy about that. And oh my god, I still can't get over this view. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday today, and we just left our hotel room. We're gonna go get something small to eat. We have an event later on with Sephora. That's actually one of the main reasons why we're in New York. It's a little brunch event that they're having with Mary Claire. A little smoothie, my smoothie. And now we're gonna take the subway down to the Brooklyn Bridge. I've never actually been to the Brooklyn Bridge. I lived here for so many years, but I never actually been there. So it'll be exciting for me too. And then we're gonna head to the event with Sephora. The sun has come out. I'm so happy. Woo! Like, the sun has come out. It's getting a little bit warmer, which is super nice. So we are on our way now to the Nomo Hotel in Soho. I've just freshened up a little bit and we're heading to the event. We just came from the Brooklyn Bridge. Super beautiful, but so cold. So I'm looking forward to staying inside for a little bit. got back from the Sephora event. We're back in the room and the event was really nice. If you guys do like my makeup look and the lipstick, I do have a video on this exact makeup. I thought I would do a quick little room tour. So you come in through this little hallway. And then here is our closet. This is the bathroom. I'll show you guys that in a second. And then this is our bedroom. Super, super nice. And then for the really amazing part is this view. Got this amazing huge window. Got a little desk area here, TV, my suitcase. And then through here is the bathroom, which is really nice. I love all of this stone marble. Looks so pretty. And then through there is the toilet. And then on this side we've got a nice big bath and a shower. We're now on 5th Avenue doing a little window shopping. I'm wearing like everything I own plus Mo's jacket because I'm freezing. I'm wearing 3 tops, 2 cashmere sweaters, a scarf, gloves, a hat. I'm just like bundled up in everything because it's really, really cold. This is our view right now. We've got Saks Fifth Avenue department store here. We've got this really famous church here. It's so beautiful. I think we're gonna get something to eat at a place called By Chloe. It's a fully like healthy vegan place and we're quite hungry. So what do you think about New York so far in 3 words?
Big, impressive, and dirty.
It is though. This is Rockefeller Center. Just sat down at By Chloe. I got this taco salad, got a carrot ginger soup, some kombucha, potatoes, and this is the spicy Thai salad, and some fries. Have made it to Tulum. It is Sunday morning and we are sitting in the car right now on the way to the hotel.